If you've just picked up an Apple Watch Ultra like I have, then you're going to want to stick around to see some of the best accessories you can get for it. Now, with the Apple Watch Ultra, you get a choice of 3 different straps: the Alpine, Trail and Ocean bands. Now, while these are all great in their own right, if you wanted to pick up another one, you're going to have to pay a hefty £99 to be exact. That's where these 3 bands come into play. All designed to look like Apple's original ones, but without the hefty cost attached to them. I personally have all of these bands, and I like swapping them out depending on if I'm running, golfing, or just sitting around the house. The main downside to these 2 bands though, is they're like a sponge with water. So unless you want to have wet patches wherever your arm goes, I'd switch to a rubber one for any sort of water sports. The next bands I want to show you are also perfect for water and, well, just getting sweaty in while you're running. These bands are again made to look similar to Apple's Sport and Nike bands. I particularly like this one with the holes in for when I run, as I find my arm can breathe that little bit more. However, if you've had an Apple Watch before, then you'll know how comfy these sport bands are. They're waterproof and dry really quickly. They also come in a load of different colours, so you can get a few different ones and switch them out depending on which outfit you're wearing. Now, before we get into the last few bands, let's talk about protecting that Apple Watch Ultra. While the Ultra has been made extremely tough, as you've probably seen in that jerry rig everything video, it can still be damaged. And as it's not a cheap watch, you may want to cover it up during some activities. Now, we have a glass screen protector here, which will just cover up that beautiful flat screen and stop it getting scratched or cracked. The next one is just a clear case. Perfect if you're doing some DIY where the watch actually might damage other things around. This will just keep the titanium case covered and stop it scratching other things. Last up in the protection category, we have this screen protector and case all in one. Simply snap this onto your watch to give it a little bit more protection without any of the faff. It's a great product if you're doing something where you know your watch is at risk of getting damaged. You can easily add this to the watch just for that one activity. Plus, for everyone that wanted a black Apple Watch Ultra, it's looking pretty close with this on. Before we get on to the last section, to buy any of these products, head to the description below. Next up, we have probably the most secure Apple Watch strap there is. It's the official Apple Watch Solo Loop. Now, this is the most secure as there's no clasp. This means once you put it onto your watch, you have to stretch it over your hand. It is a little bit more annoying to get on and off, but when it's on, it's not going anywhere. Last but not least, we have some lovely leather straps for when you need to dress your watch up. The first one from Elixir is in this lovely dark brown. It looks really good on the Ultra in my opinion. However, the black lugs would look a little bit better on a normal dark Apple Watch. The leather is fairly soft and over time will form to your wrist. The next strap from Nomad is in its own league though. As soon as you open the box, you get this lovely real leather smell, and instantly also notice the large buckle to keep the leather strap together. The strap is made from ultra premium Horween leather, which is extremely soft. This makes the perfect strap for the Apple Watch Ultra. So there you go, the best accessories for the Apple Watch Ultra. I hope you've enjoyed this video and remember to subscribe if you have.